So today's topic is, we are going to see one example, a Boolean function. We have to simplify the Boolean function with 4 variable Karnaugh map. Karnaugh map, in short we call it as K-map. So 4 variable A, B, C, D 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, C, D 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You can interchange the position also, A, B, C, D. Here you can put A, B and here you can put C, D. Then the count will go like this. Okay. Whereas if you put A, B and C, D like, the count will go this way. Okay. But whatever method, you should get the same answer. That's the idea. So the function given here is, this we have to simplify using this K-map, 4 variable K-map. A bar, B bar, C bar. So we have 3 variables. Now if you carefully see, this is A bar, B bar. So we need A bar, B bar. And if you see here, C bar, D bar, C bar, D. So this is varying. That means if you put 1 and 1 here, what is the value here? A bar, B bar, then C bar, D bar, this point. For this term, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Now the common terms are A bar, B bar and C bar. This is differing. D bar is different. Therefore, 1, 1, what we have placed is correct. Okay. So that part is over. Then we come for B bar, C, D bar. Okay. B bar. Where is B bar? So here we have A, B bar. Here we have, A bar, B bar. Here we have A, B bar. Now where is C, D bar? Here we have C, D bar. Okay. So then we need B bar. So B bar is here, B bar is here. So one thing you have to remember, if you have in the 4 variable Karnaugh map, if you have 3 variables, that means 2, 1 has to be placed. So here again 3 variables, therefore 2 ones has to be placed. That means we will be using only 2 boxes. So B bar, here we have, whereas A is differing. A is 0 and here it is 1. Then we need C, D bar. So if you put 1 here and 1 here, what will happen? First enter this. This is A bar, B bar, and here you have C, D bar. Similarly, if you enter for this block, it is A, B bar, then C, D bar. Now if you carefully see, B bar, C, D bar is common for both the cases. Only A bar is differing. That means placing of this 2 ones in that block is correct. Okay. Now we have finished B bar, C, D bar. Then A bar, B, C, D bar. If you have all the 4 terms, it will occupy only 1 box. That is A bar, B. A bar, B is where? So this is A bar and this is B. Okay. Then C, D bar. C, D bar is here. So the 1 will come here. So if you check for this, if you encircle and check, this is A bar, B and C, D bar. So we got this also. So now we have placed 3 minterms. Then we have A, B bar, C bar. Now if you carefully see, we need A, B bar. A, B bar is here. This is A, B bar. And we need only C bar. C bar is in these 2 columns. So if you put 1, 1 here, what is the term here? It is A, B bar. So A, B bar, then C bar, D bar, the first term. The second term will be A, B bar, A, B bar. Here we have C bar, D. C bar, D. Now these 3 terms are same. Whereas D bar and D differs. Therefore, what we have written here, placing of these ones in these boxes is correct. Okay, now we have entered all the 4. First what we will do, we have to go for whether we have to see, that means all others are 0. All others are 0. These boxes are 0. Okay, all others are 0. Now we have to combine the ones available in this K-map, 4 variable K-map. First we have to check for 16, all the 16, no, we have 0. Then we have to go for 4. If 4 is not possible, 2. If 2 is not possible, then 1. Okay. Now in this case, we have, if you see all the corner ones, this corner can be grouped. That means this term, this term, this term and this term can be grouped. So I'll write all the 4 terms. So this will be A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, this term. If you come here, A, B bar, then C bar, D bar. If you come here, it is A bar, B bar, then C, D bar. If you come to this box, it is A, B bar, then C, D bar, C, D bar. Now you have to find the common terms. A bar, A bar, A. So all the 4, this is differing. So, but if you check for B bar, B bar, B bar, B bar, therefore we are having B bar as common. C bar, C bar, C, C. This is differing. If you see the last one, all are B bar. So B bar, B bar. So when you combine all these 4 minterms, you will get B bar, B bar. Okay. So that part is over. Next. So remaining ones. What are the remaining ones we have? We have this one, and this one. So this one can be grouped with this, and this one can be grouped with this, and these 2 ones and these 2 ones can be made as a 4 blocks. That means these 2 and these 2. That means if you fold this paper, these 2 ones and these 2 ones will come in adjacent to each of them. So now we have to find, so this can be grouped this way. So the variable for this box is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. For this A, B bar, then we have C bar, D bar. For this box A bar, B bar, C bar, D. For this box A, B bar, C bar, D. Now if you carefully see A bar, A, so it is differing. B bar, B bar, B bar, B bar. So we have B bar as common. Then C bar, C bar, C bar, C bar. So it is C bar. D bar, D bar, D, D. So this is different. So one thing you have to remember, if you group 4 boxes, you will get only 2 variables. Okay. Okay. Now we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones we have combined, only 1 is left out. So this has to be combined now. How to combine? The only possible way is these 2 can be combined. This is the only possible way. So for this box we have A bar, B bar, then C, D bar. And for this box we have A bar, B, then C, D bar, C, D bar. So A bar is common, C is common, and D bar is common. That is, we have plus A bar, B is differing, C and D bar. So the simplified output is, we can write it as Now this is the simplified output. So f is equal to b bar d bar plus b bar c bar plus a bar c d bar. So as I told you, first you try for all. If all are ones, then the value is 1. All the 16 boxes are 1, then the value is 1. We don't have 16 ones. Then you try for 8 boxes, that is also not possible. Then we have tried for 4 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1. See, these corners can be grouped together and we got one result, which is b bar d bar. Then these two ones and these two ones are combined together. So these can be combined. So now we have 4 boxes. So you'll get 2 variables, which is b bar c bar. The last one left out is this one. This one can be grouped only with this term. So you will be getting. So when you combine 2 terms, here you will get 3 terms. That is a bar c d bar. Suppose if some other problem, if you have a 1 here, then these 2 ones and these 2 ones can be combined. But by here we have only 0. Okay, these are all zeros. Okay, suppose if this is 1, what we can do? These 2 ones and these 2 ones can be combined. So now we have 4. So therefore we will having 2 variables. So the final answer is, the simplified Boolean expression is b bar d bar plus b bar c bar plus a bar c d bar. So that's how, by making use of 4 variable Karnaugh map, we can simplify the Boolean expression. Okay, hope you have understood the 4 variable Karnaugh map for simplifying a Boolean expression. Thanks for watching. Nandri.